We are digging deeper into the verdict in the Issiah Ross trial. Ross was convicted yesterday for killing 18-year-old Devin Clark in 2022, but the jury couldn't reach a decision about whether he murdered 14-year-old Lyric Woods. So the judge declared a mistrial in that part of the case. Prosecutors now have to regroup if they want to revisit the case. WRAL senior reporter Megan Cloherty joining us now in studio. Megan, you were in court this week. You watched this verdict unfold, and now you're getting insight into what could come next.
That's right. The prosecutor in this case says, among many other feelings, Lyric Woods' family is confused. Evidence shows that she was shot with the same gun as Devin Clark, but the jury could not reach a verdict. And now it's like the trial for her killing never happened.
4 days into deliberations, the jury foreman told Judge Stephanie Reese they were split 8-4 on a verdict in Lyric Woods' killing, and no amount of time would change that deadlock.
Based on all of that, I will grant the joint motion, declare mistrial as to that count.
Woods' family and friends were visibly shaken.
I think they experienced some confusion and some disappointment, certainly. But it's not the end of the road for her case.
It's up to prosecutors to decide whether to bring Woods' case to trial again or seek a plea. Durham attorney Daniel Meyer, who was not involved in the case, says the decision on whether to prosecute again depends.
If only 4 people thought guilty, the state really needs to think long and hard about if they're going to retry the case absent something new when there were 8 that wouldn't convict.
Ross claims self-defense in Devin Clark's killing and was convicted of second-degree murder.
It's confusing how they reached a verdict with one and not with the other.
It doesn't make sense that there are individuals who think that Issiah killed Lyric, but then it wasn't first degree on Devin. So it is one of those verdicts that doesn't really fit neatly into any category.
Ross is now serving more than 20 years in prison for killing Clark. He plans to appeal to the North Carolina Court of Appeals.
Orange County prosecutors tell me they plan to take up the next steps for Lyric Woods' case in an administrative meeting of the court in March. We'll, of course, let you know if they decide to move forward with a new trial.
All right, Megan.